Senpex Driver Review. Let's get started. So what is Senpex Courier? Senpex is a gig platform delivery app connecting drivers with local or regional courier work. Drivers complete catering, parcel, or specialty envelope deliveries. They often have for clients which has Lowe's or e-commerce companies receiving jobs via app notifications and app-based dispatch. So here's its legit features and why it exists. It has an active delivery platform. They also have control over job acceptance. And they have some higher commissions, which are positives. So they offer arrive via inbox style notifications. They have an app that delivers real orders for some drivers. But it comes with some down flags. So it has red flags as well. So the payment and wage problems. So many drivers report not being paid after running multiple deliveries, which often supports refusing to respond or freezing accounts. They also have un-gig access and notifications, which is low or non-existent in many areas, which is limited to USA, and they have customer support problems. But who might use it? Well, if you're a driver able to juggle multiple apps, you can use this platform or website if you want. But you should avoid it if you're just someone needing reliable or timely payment reports or wage loss or frozen earnings. However, Simplex is a functioning gig delivery app, but with major reliability issues. It provides real jobs and driver autonomy in some locations, and it is legit in some sense that deliveries happen and people are paid occasionally. But is it trustworthy? Well, no, for financial reliability or support, you can just try a different website.